quick glance at your speedometer when you turn as well, so you understand the speed that you're turning at. It's natural, it's normal with every driver. We have a quick glance, make sure we're aware of what speed we're coming into a new road on. Now it's free falling, it's picking up speed very quickly. It shouldn't do. And that tells me that you are not fully in control of the car. So if it picks up speed very, very gently, you are then in control. But if it's rapidly picking up speed, even if it picks up to 30, in my mind it's telling me that you're not driving correctly.
Okay.
So when you think, oh my goodness, it's picking up speed quickly, very gently touch the brakes so it doesn't pick up speed so fast.
So for example, in this area here, would you drive at 15?
Whatever speed you think is appropriate,
okay,
I'll tell you if it's different. This speed at the moment is perfectly fine. Every time you come onto this road, it's a different scenario. Every single time. Every day that I come onto this road, I travel at different speeds.
Okay.
I don't go over the speed limit.
Just the feel if someone's coming towards you.
Yeah, because sometimes the black car's there, sometimes it's not. That means I can go faster or slower. Sometimes this blue car's here, sometimes it's a bus.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a car, sometimes it's nothing. And if you can find a safe place to pull up on the left. Lovely, move off when you're ready.